Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Open Roblox Studio and load the place containing the mesh part. Once done, select that mesh part in Explorer and keep your texture file handy. You need the image imported into Roblox as an asset, so go to the Asset Manager or use Create Import to add the PNG or JPG. Make sure the mesh part is visible in the viewport and not hidden. This helps you preview changes quickly while you apply the texture. Now you change the mesh texture via Properties. You find Texture ID or Texture on the mesh part and paste the image asset ID. Alternatively, pick the imported asset from the drop-down. You should then tweak Texture Mode, UV Scale, and Offset to align the image on the mesh surface. Small adjustments here prevent stretching. While adjusting, rotate the camera and check all faces. Make sure to set wrap or clamp, depending on whether you need. Finish by refining material settings and testing. You should set material and color to match the texture under studio lighting and enable smooth shading if it improves appearance. If you see seams or weird stretching, adjust UV Scale/Offset or re-export corrected UVs from your 3D tool. Sometimes re-importing the mesh with baked UVs fixes it. Finally, test and play mode to confirm behavior. If textures appear blurry, use a higher resolution image or stick to power of 2 dimensions for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.